Step 1. Apply an eyeshadow primer to your eyelids, extending it from your lash line to your brow bone to create a smooth base. Step 2. Using a neutral skin-toned eyeshadow, create a base all over your eyelid. This will even out any discoloration. Step 3. Apply a medium shade of brown or gray eyeshadow to your eyelid, concentrating on the outer corner. Step 4. Blend the medium shade into your crease using a fluffy blending brush, softening any harsh lines. Step 5. Apply a dark brown or black eyeshadow to the outer V of your eye, deepening the smoky effect. Step 6. Carefully blend the dark eyeshadow into the medium shade, ensuring a seamless transition between the colors. Step 7. Apply the dark eyeshadow along your lower lash line, connecting it to the outer corner of your upper lid. Step 8. Use a blending brush to soften the line of the dark eyeshadow on your lower lash line for a smokier look. Step 9. Apply a light, shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corner of your eye to highlight and brighten the look. Step 10. Finish with 2 coats of mascara on your upper and lower lashes to complete your smoky eye makeup look.